Public Works Department plans to remove traffic roundels and construct foot over bridges to combat rising traffic volume in Imphal city. All India Congress Committee accuses Prime Minister Modi, led BJP government of trying to forcefully end Rafale scam controversy. And Salai Holdings Private Limited ventures into brewery plant in Assam and state-of-art organic poultry farm in Manipur with support from Czech companies. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtum, bringing you the top stories. Traffic roundels at Chingmai Rong Kongnang Anikara Kangla Western Gate, Nityaipa to take opposite Governor Road will be removed to combat rising traffic volume in Imphal city. Public Works Department also targets to complete the construction of 3-foot overbridges in Imphal city within December 2019 for the first phase. The department's improvement of traffic rotary and construction of foot overbridge in Imphal city project funded by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways is estimated to be over 18 crore and 47 lakh rupees. PWD team led by National Highways Circle Superintending Engineer Yumnam Joy Kumar, Additional Chief Engineer 3T Ravindra Kumar and Executive Engineer National Highways Division Number 3 and Milan inspected the project sites today. Speaking to media, Superintendent Engineer Yumnam Joy Kumar stating that the traffic roundels will be removed to prevent rising traffic congestion in Imphal city. He said public opinion is required for removal of the traffic roundel at Chingmai Rong Kongnang Anikarak as the two banyan trees have historical significance. He also said either efforts will be made to remove the roundel without affecting the trees of antiquity or come up with better alternatives. Joy Kumar also mentioned that as a part of PWD's road safety measures, 3-foot overbridges will be constructed, one from BT Road overbridge till Gambhir Singh Shopping Complex, second at M sector behind Johnstone Higher Secondary School, and the third one at Kaishampa Junction. He said that 7 feet wide and 18 feet high overbridges will be constructed using tensile membrane framework and tensile membrane roofing to give a spectacular view.
Sagadaba foot overbridge as the latest technology have India Mafam Ayamba Sadri Ayamba Hanayam Ariba actors still Natorakanda Kazalaga Sabagi Mondunate tensile membrane framework and Harakanda tubular structure to Nagi Yot Sumbanate my specialized FE Magi exact details recogre Magi Z quick hand of a Yot Yana Chow slender in a Torbay Pangan Makanba the Yot to Torakanda fabrication di koi Manipur tawre mapanda fabrication toga pura akanda masida koi assembly togadoni aduga magi mathaki roofing sina koi tensile membrane na aduma makhalni membrane ni togadori se na sigi si koi na tasena in house na koi design to moda consultant amagi through the organ design to honbani sagad.
General Secretary of All India Congress Committee AICC and CWC member MP Gaurav Gogoi has accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi, led BJP government of trying to suppress and cover up the controversial Rafale scam. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Gaurav Gogoi criticized the BJP government of trying to cover up the scam by telling lies one after another. He claimed that the affidavit submitted by the BJP government in relation to the scam was an unsigned affidavit. Gaurav Gogoi stated that the CAG report of Rafale scam was incomplete and a CAG report is yet to be submitted in Parliament by Parliamentary Standing Committee. Terming the government's act as a serious offence, the AICC General Secretary further accused the BJP government of trying to subjugate the highest court of the country, the Supreme Court. Gaurav Gogoi stated that the Congress has always maintained that the Supreme Court is not the appropriate forum to discuss a scam, but a joint parliamentary committee JPC is the right forum.
The Congress party has always maintained that Supreme Court is not the appropriate forum, and the appropriate forum is the JPC, because in our constitution the parliament is supreme. The JPC which will have members from the ruling party and all political parties, can go into thorough details of this case. They can summon the files and find out when was the decision taken that instead of 126, 36 jets would be brought. The JPC can call upon the Prime Minister, because it is the Prime Minister's personal intervention, and find out from the Prime Minister as to why he feels that this new deal is better, despite the fact that from 126 we have come down to 36. HAL has been denied its right. India has lost out on a valuable opportunity of technology transfer and learning the technology of making these advanced fighter jets. And why has a private company conveniently incorporated 12 days before the Prime Minister Modi's visit has got a major part of the offset contract? Without taking approval or without consulting the Defense Minister, Foreign Minister, the Defense Acquisition Committee, the Prime Minister personally intervenes.
Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar, has inspected the infrastructure of Nilakuthi Food Park today. He inspected Sri Balaji Flour Mill, Thangjum Agro Agency, Liklas Bakery and Mineral Water Plant at the food park. The Vice Chairman was accompanied by Joint Director of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Kim, Administration Officer of MFI CLA Lokan, and other officials. The team also inspected the inoperative influent treatment plant for solid waste management installed at the food park 5 years ago. Speaking to media, K. Sarat Kumar assured of undertaking necessary repair works at the food park with assistance from the state and central governments. He also said that the Chief Minister will be apprised on the same as soon as the State Assembly sessions, which begin tomorrow, ends.
Awatpa lehuribasing si koi full sagat pasuya ori make fruity kari sagat pakokapa make fruity completely horticulture department to bani do so koi ga campus ta lebani na hoina na to jeni si yaring athuba matamda sida industry to gena koi no leikibo lease longna gi khona gi basing se sigi jab chaba condition duma ai hujuji mati ai thamangam dre ai athu matamda after assembly session gumada mayam da thamna hona jarage aduga leidiba walhori basing si yam athu matamda complete to ngamaga achieve to bangam no state government amadi central leadership na inabirakpa daita si ai mapung phana perform to bangam na hona jage.
Highway Truck Drivers Welfare Organization Hitowo has constructed a weight bridge at Gulathon along National Highway 37 Imphal Ziribam Road to be inaugurated on New Year's Day to ease drivers and transporters plying along the road. The organization has intimated that drivers and transporters can avail the facility at no extra cost. Speaking to media, Information and Public Relations Secretary of the organization, Brojendro Konthojam, stated that even though tonnage capacity over Barak and Makru bridges along the road was decided by an order from the Supreme Court, High Court of Manipur and State Transport Department, due to lack of weight bridge facility, drivers and transporters faced lots of inconveniences. The organization also urged the governments to convert Barak and Makru bridges into RCC bridges.
Tuan hen porak padagi phong dang atang tat liba lambi da sway ngam mayam yaw liba si kok nabi damakta lakadrwa 2019 gi January gi date 1 New Year hana khangna ba numi asidagi tuana National Highway 37 Panjibam road sida chatliba gari khudimaki arumbadu all erga with bridge sangaraga New Year gi anu chegi khudol oina koi free of cost da paisa amata lawdana akoi hairiba National Highway 37 sida miamda trucker singda adi transporter singda khudon tamjaragani Barak bridge tatliba si athumatam da government na paliba sarkar sina amadi India government na athumatam da yengjin birega asugumba transporter singi amadi trucker singi truck driver singi punamaki awaba si kohon binaba hona biwadana puning singjari.
Police halted JAC members of All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Manipur Rifle Male 2016 batch marching towards CM's bungalow in demand for declaration of their recruitment result. The candidates tried to storm CM Bungalow after holding a meet at Old Lambulan today. However, a police team led by SP Imphal West disrupted the march, allowing only 3 representatives of the JAC to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister. JAC spokesperson H. Bobo strongly condemned the government for failing to declare the result for recruitment of 441 Manipur Rifles personnel of 2016 batch till date. He urged relevant authority to declare the result by December 26, failing which warned of intense agitation.
अखोई को पुनः बेसम तो रिक्रूट तो किबा कांस्टेबल अमदी फ्लावर बुना ट्रेनिंग लोय किदोरे मरम मदुना अखोई की एमआरसी हाइदो पितना थंबिरिबसी गवर्नमेंटना मेंबर सिंबु कैंडिडेट सिंबु सही बार ओइनबा सिनबिरब्रा अमदी लालिबा तांग कुंतरु सिगो की मनुंगदा हाइदोक्तबा तारगदी अखोइना मखन मखा क्यागी खोंजंग मणिपुरदा लैबिबा सिविल सोसाइटी मरा पाइबी अमदी क्लब सिंग खुसमनरगा अकनब खोंजंग चंगसिलगनी.
All India Gramin Dak Sevak Union Manipur Division joined a nationwide cease-work strike of All India Gramin Dak Sevak Union by staging a sit-in at Imphal Post Office today. Speaking to media, President of the union Wahengbam Ibo Hanbi stated that the demands include to increase allowances of Gramin Dak Sevaks to implement the GDS Committee report of January 1st, 2016 and to give 5 lakh rupees as GIS and gratuity amongst others. The cease work strike was also carried out at every post office in all districts of the state.
Say kuntrani pu yang kai thabak toro misiga ngarang ak changai misiga khenaba thamdana level amada da pulak thamba mengi employee amna phangom thokwa increment do sarkar na pibi daba pension gi paisa amadi GIS in service ta kai gumba koi siba nungba yauragadi akoi asiba yauragadi akoi gi insurance oina piga doba lupa lakh manga chi sarkar na order thoktana namsala thambiba ba demand ji hek phangdri bobodi akoi se matam kaktana chathagi gani haiba potse masine koi gi leijeri. Thank you.
IBOC Manipur State Unit has extended solidarity to the protests called by banks under All India Bank Officers Confederation IBOC for various demands on December 21st. Speaking to media at SBI Bank MD Avenue today, Secretary of IBOC Manipur State Unit CH Lilabanta stated that IBOC demands appointment of full mandate officer for all the banks of the country, to update pension of bank staffs and not to privatize Bank of Baroda, Vijaya Bank and Dina Bank. IBOC regrets public inconvenience on the day.
Maruina tarikun ma thoigi December ki tarikun ma thoida ekoi IBOC na koriba strike asigi maruiba nungyoiba pandamdi bank ki manung da leijariba officer sing asida ekoi singchep thajalakpa machin manaoina nungsina na leijariba imung manungi pona da thugaina basilakpa thaina gi British ki matamda chanaramba divide and rules theory do koi bank ki officer sing sida singchep thajalakpa se masi maruiba wafam si kena phongtuk tragasu si khwaidagi maruiba wafam ne aro ai nasi media gi mafam da thamjage.
JAC of All Manipur Aided School Employees Organization in a press release informed that a meeting of the council will be held at Laishram Kulim Laikai Community Hall, New Office, Lamphilpat on December 22nd. The JAC said 1,672 teachers of 585 grant and aid schools of the state will resign on the day. Northeast Students Organization NESO, an organization of 8 student unions of Northeast states, today protested against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Taking part in the protest, General Secretary of Manipur Students Association Delhi MSAD Javed Mehendi strongly condemned the bill as a policy of the Indian government for allowing illegal migrants belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi or Christian religious communities coming from Afghanistan, Bangladesh or Pakistan to settle in Northeast states. Superintendent of State Archaeology Government of Manipur in a press release refuted claims by some individuals on social media regarding worshipping of Durga inside Kangla as baseless. It clarified that no Durga Puja was ever performed inside Kangla. Imphal East District Commando team conducted door-to-door operation at Paumai Colony under Haingang Police Station, Imphal East today. The combined team, including SP Commando, Imphal East, 2nd OC Commando and Women Commandos, verified altogether 255 individuals of 37 households, 3 hostels and ADC Bhavan from 6:05 to 7:20 this morning. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news report on a 2 new bold venture of Salai Holdings Private Limited. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipur may be a dry state, but this has not stopped entrepreneurs from setting up breweries outside to capture a very lucrative market. Salai Holdings Private Limited, a group of companies from Manipur, is on its way to set up a brewery in neighboring Assam, as well as state-of-art organic poultry farm in Manipur. And here is the report.
The mega Northeast Food Park at Tihu in Assam will be home to 33,000 euros Wanglei Brewery, which is being promoted by Salai Agro Product Private Limited, a subsidiary of Salai Holdings Private Limited. The plan is being technically supported by ZEC Company Techno Export of Safichem Group and financed by ZEC Commercial Bank, the CSOB. Chairman of Salai Holdings, Naringbam Samajid, accompanied by Board of Directors, signed agreement for the plant early this week at the headquarters of Safichem Group in Prague. The team later visited a brewery in Prague and witnessed first-hand brewing and serving of beer. The plant is expected to produce 25,000 hectoliter of beer per year, with option to upgrade to 40,000 hectoliter in future. Speaking to media, Samajid said the plant will be ready to roll out its first bottle of world-class Pilsner type of beer in mid-2020.
Resources, whatever, dear. After you need to cool down very rapidly. More so, this is also small CO2 station. Pavel, what is this used for?
In yet another deal, Salai Holdings tied up with Bauer Techniques of RSGB Group of Czech Republic for setting up a mega poultry project at Thinungay in Bishnupur district. With a target of 9 lakh poultry birds per year, the project is expected to cost over 16,50,000 euros. Salai has acquired 50 hectares of land at Thinungay and will be setting up 6 huge chicken rearing halls with a capacity of 1.5 lakh birds per hall. The objective of Salai Holdings is to produce multi-nutritional organic poultry products to counter the adulterated cheap imports from outside. Samajid also said he will be sharing the technical expertise with local poultry farmers and support them produce top quality chickens. Bauer Techniques officials told media that the ZEC company would give experts and veterinary medical support to Salai Holdings at the project site. Following the agreement, Salai Holdings Board of Directors visited the Thinungay site. The visit was accompanied by Japanese expert Takio Takunari and his associate, who arrived in Imphal on 16th of this month for yet another project on bio-toilet and carbonization of organic materials being taken up by Salai Holdings with a Japanese firm Maiwa Co. This is Joyce Rusham for Impact News, Imphal.
Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTEC and National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NILIT, Akampa jointly observed National Mathematics Day at NILIT campus in Imphal East today. Speaking in the event, Commissioner of Science and Technology Department IAS T. Panmai stated that mathematics is often considered to be a tough subject, but many students, especially students from the hills. He maintained that consistent efforts are required to master the subject. He stressed the need to make mathematics compulsory till class 12 and also urged the teachers to be more enthusiastic in teaching the subject. Executive Director of NELIT Akampat, T.H. Prameshwar, Mastic Director, T.H. Surendranath and other eminent persons gave insights on the subject.
Students from Hill District said, generally, mathematics are weak. Any school thing does not look. Any subject no quite high there. Anka high there. Aduna tapadi. We have to do a lot of hard work because this is in fact this generation and generations to come will be identified and defined by their knowledge in mathematics. So we cannot be left behind. So students from any sector should not be left behind in terms of mathematics.
Mairimbam Koiring Memorial Trust organized the 103rd birth anniversary of Manipur's first elected Chief Minister Mairimbam Koiring at Moirang INA Hall in Bishnupur district today. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam, former Ministers M. Kendro, Dr. K. H. Ratan Kumar, former MLAs Dr. I. Bohanbi, M. Prithviraj and many people paid floral tributes at the portrait of late Mairimbam Koiring. Speaking in the event, former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam eulogized late Chief Minister Mairimbam Koiring as a remarkable, sincere leader who worked for the integrity of the state. Manipuri Jagoi Marup showcased Basanta Ras at Radha Binod Dalan Mandap in Uripok Naurim Thong Takilambam Laikai today with an aim to promote the indigenous art form. Speaking to media, Secretary of Manipuri Jagoi Marup R.K. Sanahanbi stated that Ras Leela was once performed frequently in olden days, but now it is performed only on selective occasions. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar and Padma Shri awardee KSH Thaurani Sapi also attended the event.
Hujikti Ras Leela si akoina mamangida angang ni matamdadi leirak konchangda aduga lekai da yamna katpirami adubu hujikti Ras Leela si yamna lanna pangthokpire adubu marak-maraktadi festival gumba yen Manipur Dance Academy na festival gumba tawbi asinatana akoina yamna pangthokpagi kanosi laikidabasida akoina masi mutkidana ba promote tawnabagi damakta akoina masigi asingma khongthang asi lokachabani.
130 farmers of Kathinungai Gram Panchayat at Thanga in Bishnupur district were distributed Rabi crop seeds, and an awareness program was also held for the farmers at Thangalawai Community Hall today. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Bishnupur District Thanga branch organized the program under the Agriculture Department, Bishnupur. Resource persons enlightened on how to utilize paddy fields post-harvest to boost income at the event. Voluntary Donors Group Manipur organized a blood donation camp at Blood Transfusion Medicine Ward of RIMS today. Speaking to media, Secretary of the group Ilangbam Lokendra stated that the group is organizing the blood donation programs every 3 months with an aim to fill up the shortage of blood in the state. 30 volunteers donated blood in the camp. A public meeting to discuss on the negative impact of drugs and intoxicants abuse and measures to curb drug menace was held at Nongchup Sanjinbam Community Hall yesterday. Kada Imphal West District Committee, Nongchup Sanjinbam Apunba Maira Paipi Loop and Social Youth Organization Nongchup Sanjinbam jointly organized the meet. CEF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has inaugurated Ashok Leland's showroom under the funding of Lamjingba Motors Private Limited at Kiam, Thoubal district today. Speaking in the event, Minister Karam Shyam appreciated Lamjingba groups for all its undertakings in the state. Bharatiya Modi Army, Manipur State Unit and its newly elected members of every district were accorded a warm reception at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal by BMA Manipur State Unit today. Speaking in the event, National President of BMA ST Cell Adimpanmai said, Bharatiya Modi Army, formed by people who adore the ideology of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is becoming stronger day by day. He added that BMA will make dream of PM Narendra Modi for a united nation a reality. He assured that BMA is making all-out efforts to develop Manipur in every field and is apprising the Prime Minister on the progress from time to time.
Prime Minister ki lanmi ama oina organization dagi na aikoi Prime Minister ki imung ama oine magi imung na phau tawbam ngamloi da thabak aikoi na tawbam ngambagi sakti aikoi da bibire Prime Minister masigi thabak asida aikoi na shiran bagi wakhallon da aduga khatna saina bagi wakhallon da aikoi chattabidi aran ba oigani.
And now the sports news. Four Corners Unite Mumbai distributed football kits to 48 football clubs which are providing grassroots level football coaching in various parts of the state today. Founder of Four Corners Unite, Tejas Sharma, FBWA President O. Raj Bihari, Issue Vice President T. Sudhir, Secretary R.K. Nimai, retired IAS and other eminent persons attended the program held in the indoor hall of Eastern Sporting Union in Palace Compound. Young Manipuri cricketer Rex Rajkumar has created history in Indian cricket by securing 10 wickets in an innings. Rex is the son of R.K. Dorendra and Renu Bala from Moirang Hanuba in Patsoi constituency. Rex was trained under Chief Coach of PCA, P.H. Robindro from Patsoi Part 4 and plays for PTRC Patsoi Part 4 under the same coach. He represented Manipur in the Plate Group Ranji Trophy. Manipur defeated Arunachal Pradesh with 15 wickets secured by Rex in a cricket tournament of under-19 coach Bihar Trophy multi-days at Rural Development Trust Stadium, Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh on December 12th. In the first innings of the match, Rex took 5 wickets, while in the second inning, he took 10 wickets in 9 overs, 5 bowls to become second Indian cricketer to create history in the cricket tournament after bowler Mehboob Bash in 2009. It may be mentioned that England bowler Jim Laker took 10 wickets in an innings in a test cricket against Australia in 1956, while Anil Kumble took 10 wickets in a test match against Pakistan in 1999. In India's first-class cricket, Subhas Gupte, Premangsu Mohan, Pradeep Sundaram and Debashis Mohanty have secured 10 wickets in an innings each. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Public Works Department plans to remove traffic roundels and construct foot-over bridges to combat rising traffic volume in Imphal city. All India Congress Committee accuses Prime Minister Modi-led BJP government of trying to forcefully end Rafale scam controversy. And Salai Holdings Private Limited ventures into brewery plant in Assam and state-of-art organic poultry farm in Manipur with supports from Czech company.